Welcome to Ray's Toolbox. Today we're going to install a hanging air filter. This is a Grizzly air filter, model number G0738. It looks a lot like other ones that you see on the market. This is Grizzly's brand on it. It's a 3-speed hanging air filter. It comes with a remote control. It has 3 buttons on it. The top one says off. The next one is on with speed. And the last one is the time button. First thing, of course, is to unpack the box. When we open the lid, there's a small box on top which has the remote in it. It also has the chains to hang it with and some hooks. It has 4 hooks that goes into the ceiling, and it has 4 hooks that if you're going to hang it, you take 4 bolts out of the top of it and screw the hooks into the top. So the next order of business is to remove the bolts and put the nuts on the hooks that go on the top of it and screw those down into place. If we look at the filter end, the intake end, the outside filter just has a clip on the top and a clip on the bottom to hold it in. Remove those clips, the filter just slides straight out. Next inside is the 1 micron filter. This filter, I believe, is washable according to the instructions. You can get replacement filters from grizzly.com for this particular one. I think as long as you have the right size, you can buy them any place. When we're selecting a place to hang this on the ceiling, we want it to be over the area where we're going to have most of the dust. We don't want it tied up against a wall or in a corner. It's not going to have good circulation throughout the shop. We want to be sure that we have a good receptacle close by, or we're going to have to figure out how to get electricity to it. And most importantly, we don't want this to fall on the floor, rip itself out of the ceiling. We want to be sure that we can find a ceiling rafter and get it anchored into a good, solid, sturdy ceiling rafter so it doesn't fall out. After we have our location, it's time to put in the hooks on the ceiling. It tells you exactly what size bit to pre-drill with if you want to use the hooks that came with it. So we're going to pre-drill the 4 holes and then screw in the hooks. After the hooks are on, it came with some chains to hang it with. I have a 10-foot ceiling, so eventually I'll get a little bit longer chains to get the filter down a little bit closer to where the work area is. When this is running, it really isn't that loud at all. It's no louder than a small fan running, which is basically what it is. It's infrared, so you have to be in front of the sensor, which is not that big of a deal. But the on button will turn it on, hit the on button again, and you can change speeds from low, medium to high. And then the time button, you can let it run all the time if you want to, or you can hit the time button and it will run for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 4 hours. So we have the filter hanging up, and I've used it a few times. I like how quiet it is. If you haven't had a chance to hit that subscribe button, please go ahead and do so. Ring that bell, and we'll let you know the next time we have a new video out. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.